What's the lowest credit score you can have and still buy a home? The answer might surprise you. Let's take a look. So you can actually buy a home with as low as a 500 credit score. Now, credit score is not the only thing that affects your approval, but it is a major factor. Now, if you're in this zone of 500 to 579, it's going to be difficult to get approvals. You're going to need at least a 10% down payment. You're going to need extra money in the bank on top of that down payment. You're going to need strong income. It's difficult to get approvals in this zone, but it is technically possible. Then if we get into the 580 to 600 zone, that is what allows you to then start putting lower money down, like 3.5%. Still not ideal, but it allows for a lower down payment and approvals. Now, once we get to 600 to 619, that's when you start to become eligible for some 0% down programs. But in this range, you're still very limited on the types of loans you can get, which is why I recommend to be at least at a 620 if you want to buy a home. Doesn't mean you can't. I've helped plenty of people buy a home under a 620. But once you reach a 620, the terms get better. You get access to almost every loan, and it just allows for a much better chance of getting approved. Like I said, it's not the only factor. There's a lot of other things that go into approvals, but I recommend being at a 620 or better, but we can go as low as a 500. If you want to get pre-approved to buy a home, call me.